My Christmas present came in advance this year because I was able to shoot another Jollibee commercial. This is for their new Jollibee fries flavors, 4 cheese and sour cream. Sarap! Doing the TVC shoot was fun but exciting din when it was launched to the press. Kakaiba ang launch kasi it was held at a videoke bar and was intimate kasi I got the chance not only to be interviewed by the press but I was able to sing with them as well.
Ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa Redbox Eastwood. Ayan, para po sa isang event for Jollibee at press launching po ng 2 new flavors ng Jolly Crispy Fries. Ang 4 cheese at ang sour cream. So, ayun, mag-video-okay session lang kami ngayon kasama ng ating mga friends from the press. So, yun, mag-enjoy lang tayo today, tonight. Bye-bye!
Jolly delicious offering the Jolly Crispy Fries. And that, as you can see they are on the speakers. So I'm sure everyone can work with together.
Okay, today is we just held our fries day. It's a very fun event wherein we invited the media to have a videoke session with our endorser, Sarah Geronimo. So we had different games, we had lots of songs that were sung by our endorser, so the media participated well in this. So of course we served Jolly Crispy Fries with the 2 new flavors, the yummy 4 cheese and spicy sour cream. So everybody enjoyed while sharing, of course, our favorite Jolly Crispy Fries. So Sarah, as you know, she's very lovable, she's very attractive, she sings very well, she's a multi-talented actress. So it's not difficult for you to fall in love with her as a character. So of course, like the brand that we want her to promote is something that you would also want to eat and like enjoy, and it's a very fun product.
We're gonna have some party fun. Alright, so speaking of party fun, we are going to have a few games which you guys will join with me. So the first game is going to be called Name That Happy Hit. Name That Happy Hit. So we're going to have 2 teams and we're going to play a song and the 2 teams mag-uunahan yan sa microphone ko. So we'll find a way how to do that in this very intimate area. So let me call on muna the 2 teams. First off, we have Team A, that's welcome Rayma from ABS-CBN Online. We have Mario from TV Patrol, Vince from TV Patrol, Bernie from ABS-CBN, and we have Avan from Umagang Sayanda. Mag-uunahan kayo sa mikropono. Nagkakasama tayo.
Let's stay together.
Congratulations Jolly Crispy Fries. At nandito tayo, kasama natin buong press, yung barkada natin. What makes Jolly Crispy Fries the best thing for our barkada? Ay, ako, ang Jolly Crispy Fries talaga dito sa mga favorite ko sa Jollibee. For me, ang Jolly Crispy Fries, ang pinaka, o ang tastiest ng fries. Talaga na natikman ko. At ang happy na meron ng two flavors ang Jollibee. So, ang Jolly Crispy Fries, ang pork cheese at ang sour cream. At also, nagkakaroon ang original flavor, which I also love. At mas sumasarap talaga ang kultura ng bonding moments with friends. Kapag ka meron kang kinakain ng masarap, di ba? Yung Jolly talaga pinagkakain. At hindi mo na namamalayan, no? Oo, nauubos. Napupunta lahat yung fries dito sa
Actually, eventually, bago ini-endorse ko yun ni Sarah. So, first time ko actually siya makasama. Kasi dati nakikita ko lang siya sa hallway. Tapos pag nakita ko, hi lang, gano'n. Pero first time ko talaga makasama. And feel mo talaga yung na genuinely nice siya. Na very warm, very happy-go-lucky. She's just a really nice person.
Okay naman, successful naman. At, syempre, thank you to all our friends from the press for attending the event. At, ayun, sana nag-enjoy sila sa activity ngayon. Nag-video okay kami. Tama? Video okay, diba? First time na nangyari. Yun talaga yung masarap na gawin habang kumakain ng Jolly Crispy Fries. Yun yung bonding with friends and family.
Sa lahat po ng viewers ng Popstar Diaries, Merry Christmas. Sana po kasama yung buong pamilya niyo. And yun, kay Sarah, Popstar mismo, Merry Christmas.